Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here, and here we have our Orchid White HRV. This car is a 1.6 diesel and does come with these 17-inch alloys. Of course, these have come off one of our former member of staff's car, so they are all in perfect condition. Of course, anyway, I will go into each and every alloy just to give you an idea of what condition they're all in. Of course, you can see this is the HRV just there. And this is an 18 plate. And moving into the rear of the vehicle, you can see we have plenty of room in here with a 12-volt power outlet, and of course you can lift up the boot floor to give yourself more room. Of course, the seats also fold 60/40 split and do fold flat. We do have rear parking sensors on this car as well, just showing you the rear alloy here. Of course, as you can see just here, the seats do fold flat. And of course, when you do lift them up, these cars do come with something called magic seats. So of course you can lift the seat up, clamp it in place with the legs, and of course you have more room, more foot space in the footwells. We have cloth black seats with Isofix mounting points, automatic rear windows. Of course, in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have the controls for all 4 windows. Of course, all of which are automatic. Your central locking, window lock, and wing mirror adjustment is just here. You can see we do have power fold as well. We have your traction control, parking sensors, and of course your lane assist just there with Econ. And of course we have your electric handbrake with your 6-speed gearbox, and of course your stop start just there. We've got dual climate control, and of course your 7-inch touchscreen display, which does come with satellite navigation, all your different sources for your audio, your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course all of this is controlled via these buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. These control your Bluetooth hands-free, and these control your onboard computer, and your speed limiter and cruise control is just here. As you can see, this car has done 30,457 miles and does come with automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the last remaining alloy just there. This car does also come with halogen daytime running lights, and if you do require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video of this vehicle. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.